So this one's about rejuvenating life force and healing burnout. So often when we're on the path to find the ultimate abundance and ultimate prosperity in whatever that means for you, sometimes we work hard and we just burn out, and we get to the point where we can't be bothered anymore. So this dragon, Soltraxis, is about rejuvenating that life force and healing the burnout, so that you're back in a place with energy, abundance of energy to bring on life, take on life. And again, if you're doing this on your own, you could use this incantation, or you can play this journey that we're about to go on. And it's always, the important thing is to have the intention of meeting this dragon, ask for your life force to be rejuvenated, ask for any burnout that you have in any area of your life to be renewed, cleansed, empowered. It doesn't have to be about abundance and prosperity. Healing of burnout might be around relationships, about your job, about the kids, or whatever it is. So say abundance and prosperity isn't just about money, it's about everything in your life. Just check the chat. Love these pictures. Are these from your cards? Yes, they are the healer dragons, the cards and the book. So yes, they are. So let's get ourselves ready for our second journey. So this is going to meet the dragon of life force and about healing burnout. So hold loosely in your mind if there's anything in your life force that you feel needs rejuvenating, if there's any burnout that you feel needs to be removed and cleansed and healed, then hold that loosely in your mind. So forget about the last dragon. Hold the intention to meet Soltraxis. Close your eyes. I'll play the music again. Right, just do a nice steady breath, normal breath. I want you to imagine that every time you breathe in vitality. It's filling every cell of your body, and every time you breathe out, you're breathing out and away weariness. That's vitality in, weariness out. Vitality in, weariness out. Vitality in, weariness out. Just imagine that through the whole thing. So every time you exhale, stress, exhaustion, heaviness is leaving your body. Beautiful. You can feel the ground and the earth supporting you. You're steady and you're safe. Again, I call upon our guides, our guardians and the healer dragons to watch over us in this sacred journey. And again, back into your third eye, into your imagination. Let it weave what it needs to weave. Imagine that you are standing by a flowing river. Above you is a sparkling golden sun. It's a gorgeous day. You notice a boat waiting by the bank of the river. You feel that you're beckoned towards it. So walk down to this boat. Step into it. Feel it rock gently as you get in. It's safe. and it starts to carry you downstream at a nice gentle pace. Maybe you run your fingers in the water, seeing the fish jumping around. The river feels truly alive, pulsating with power. The river passes beneath a natural arch of stone. You glide under and through. Something changes, the air changes, and you've changed realms. You are now in Soltraxis' realm. The river flows out into a vast lake. It shimmers with radiant energy. Every ripple on the water feels infused with pure life force. The air is fresh, vibrant, and charged with energy. Every breath fills you with vitality. Every breath out removes your weariness. From the side of the lake, the mighty dragon appears. His scales glisten with deep crimson and molten gold. He radiates like the warmth of a rising sun. His eyes are fierce, yet compassionate. As you stare into them, you can feel the power of them. You can almost feel them drawing out your weariness and restoring your vitality. His presence is like standing at the center of a blazing sunrise. Powerful, renewing, warming, unstoppable. He glides effortlessly through the air towards you and gently breathes a wave of gold and red fire around you, washing all over you. It's not burning, it's cleansing. You can feel the energy of the fire cleansing your aura, burning away any exhaustion, any fatigue, any heavy fog in the mind. Feel it doing its work. He lowers his head and looks directly into your eyes. And a stream of vibrant life force flows directly into your heart, into your solar plexus, through your eyes, into your crown. You can feel it renewing your energy, like a fire rekindled from dying ashes. Feel it coursing through your body. He stretches his wings wide. You can feel him lifting the weight of your life from your shoulders, and yet it reminds you of your own strength, your own capacity to rise. He pours more energy into you, restoring balance, bringing back alignment with your natural rhythms. Allow him to continue pouring his life-giving flame into you. Feel energized, feel alive, feel renewed. Truly suck it in. Keep receiving. Feel that energy going to every part of your system. You feel so alive, so renewed, so vibrant. He comes close to your boat and gently places a glowing ember that pulsates into your hand. He says, "This ember is my eternal reminder that burnout cannot define you. Whenever you need renewal, call upon the ember, call upon me, and we will ignite your spirit once more." Take a moment to commune, to listen for any messages that he may have for you, and trust what comes. He starts to gently back away from you. This is your moment to thank him. Know his fire will always be available to you when you call. The current starts to turn, and gently your boat starts to go back the other way, back upstream, returning you slowly back to the ordinary world. As you travel, you can feel your energy is alive, your body is alive. Your boat goes back under the arch, gently onto the bank. Now's the time to step out of the boat onto the bank. Holding on to your glowing ember, put it somewhere safe. And then gently and slowly bring yourself back from that time, from that moment, fully into this time, to this present moment. Grounded, strong, and alive. Take a few grounding breaths. Feel the vitality. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Bring yourself back. Welcome back.